Hey guys, this is Patrick Powers. This video is for MDF1 for the September 2012 class, and this is week 3. So what we did, we created an application that allowed us to make up fictitious office names, place them on a map, as well as create a UI table view that drills down into a more detailed view of a particular office to show off its location as an individual view rather than all of the annotations being on one view, which is this second tab right here. So as you can see, all the offices which are in this UI table view are also listed right here with the annotations. And then what we have over here is downtown office. It centers right around that annotation, puts the latitude and longitude of that particular location. Any one of those, exactly the same thing as it. You see it recentered it. Also deleting off a particular one, saving it back up, and there you go. So what is the code? The code is, right here is the first view controller, which we're looking at right here. We got an IB outlet for the on delete and the on save, those buttons, the table view, and then I also have the array, which is the list of these offices. I have some actions for the on delete and on click that I'm assigning. Within the .m file here, here it is that we're actually setting up that array for the office names, and then the rest of the information is very similar to the first couple weeks in terms of the being able to edit and save it back up, and then actually having the number of rows, which is based on that array, creating the ability to edit, basically doing so like that, filling in each cell with the appropriate information, and then down here, actually collecting the name of the cell, passing it through to the second view, so when it pops up, that information pops up right there. And here's the XIB for that first view. The second view, right here, which you're looking at, let's go back, is just a map kit view. So within there, what I did is I set up that outlet to there, the map view, and then we created for each location its own CL location 2D with its coordinates, and then putting an annotation to that, which the annotation is created within this biz annotation.h and .m with the title and the coordinate, and actually creating that annotation. So a little bit more detailed, we're zooming the map into a particular level, then centering it around Orlando and placing it within that region, and then actually placing each one of these annotation pins into that area, and here is actually placing those. So here's the instance, or the creation through the CL location 2D plus the coordinates. Here's the actual instance of that annotation, and then placing all of those annotations into an NS array to populate this map. We also have the detail view controller here, basically creating a couple outlets for the map, the back button, the longitude, latitude, and this actual label that gets passed through. Now here's where things did not go as well as I wanted. I needed a way to actually click on something, go to the second view, and decide what we needed to actually show, what particular office. Well, I wasn't able to create a array of objects of those annotations on that first view, or I'm sorry, on that maybe second view, or maybe it's on this first view but passing through to the other tab view is what I meant. I wasn't able to centralize a location for this, and rather than just having it not work, I wanted it to work, but I'm not able to actually pass that information back and forth, and that's my issue. I'm having a hard time grasping on that concept of maybe potentially delegation or just passing that through with the property and synthesize. I tried many things and it just doesn't seem to want to work. So anyway, what I did is I created an if or else if function for when you click on a particular view. I was able to pass through that particular cell, but that's all I'm able to figure out how to pass through, which then checks it to see which one it is, which then causes the location to be set based on what I've coded in here. And then I do have the labels for the latitude and longitude text, And then at the very bottom, this is the one thing that is consistent and passes through, is that biz label right here, the Oviedo office or the Longwood office. But that's about it. So that's what I really could have done better. I'm still working on it. I think I just need to spend some time revisiting and thinking of how to pass information from one view to another. So that's it. Thanks so much.